So can we use the iCloud drive on the Android platform? So let me give you the quick explanation. So the short answer is yes, but if it comes to practical approach, it's probably not the best idea. So let me show you what I mean by this. So basically, you can access iCloud.com website through any browser or any device. So it's pretty simple, right? You can use whichever one you have and just sign into your account where you can browse your mail, photos, and even the drive. So you can locate it and just download and get access to all of your documents, which might be PDFs, photos, videos, recordings, and things like that, right? So this is how you can access it. You can even upload files to your drive directly from the phone. So this would work as well. However, we don't have any kind of built-in or even a downloadable app which could work with this, right? It's literally been designed for the Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and on the Android, like you can access it this way and use your drive there if you want to access some files. But for some day-to-day scenarios, I wouldn't really recommend you to stick with this, right? So instead, you can explore options like Dropbox or Google Drive, which are much better integrated into your everyday life, and all of the main apps can use it freely. So if you use like multi-platform devices, then use multi-platforms cloud solutions as well. So this is how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you have any experience with this. Most definitely let me know about your like questions or things you have in mind regarding this topic. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.